We're constantly on the move, so it can be challenging to find a side business you can operate from anywhere. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? By finding the right side hustle, you can achieve your financial goals without being confined to one location. In this video, I'll discuss 15 side hustles you can do from your phone, your income potential, and much more. So before we start, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Let's get started. Number 1. Take surveys with Swagbucks. One of the easiest ways to start making money from your phone is by taking online surveys, and Swagbucks is one of the best possibilities. With this app for side jobs, you may get paid for watching videos, taking surveys, doing online shopping, and more. For a few reasons, Swagbucks is among my favorite ways to generate money. You can withdraw money from your PayPal account. $5 in free welcome bonuses. The sweet incentive for referring friends. While utilizing Swagbucks won't make you rich or a millionaire, it is a simple method to make a few dollars whenever you have a few minutes. Number 2. Earn cash back with Ibotta. Ibotta is a simple way to earn money by doing what you already do, which is shop. You can get cash back using Ibotta on a variety of purchases, including those made at the grocery store and online. One of the best cashback apps is Ibotta, which has collaborated with hundreds of the most well-known brands and shops. Once you have $20 in your account, you can pay out your winnings using PayPal or gift cards. Although the amount you may make with this passive income tool will ultimately depend on how much you spend, it is possible to make a few $100s every month using it. You'll also receive $5 for free when you register for an account using the link below. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. Another well-known survey tool you may use to earn money anytime you have some free time is Inbox Dollars. You may earn money using this app by participating in surveys, watching movies, playing games, and more. One of my favorite aspects of Inbox Dollars is how honest they are about how much money you'll make before finishing a task. This can help you avoid wasting time on activities that don't pay well. Number 4. Food delivery. Food delivery through services like DoorDash is another well-known side business. You can start with no money if you have a phone and a car. You may earn up to $25 per hour delivering food from nearby restaurants with this side business. This is a fantastic method to earn extra money on the weekends or during the week in your free time. The flexibility of this side job is one of my favorite aspects. You are free to work as much or as little as you like because there is no defined schedule. Number 5. Grocery delivery. Grocery delivery using Instacart is an additional way to earn money using a phone and a vehicle. For this side gig, you'll need your own car and a spotless driving record. But for those who can make it work, it's a fantastic alternative. Similar to DoorDash, you may create your own hours and schedule with Instacart, where you can carry groceries from nearby retailers to consumers for up to $25 per hour. Number 6. Invest in stocks with Acorns. Even though, by definition, this isn't a side business, it's still a fantastic way to monetize your smartphone. With Acorns, you can invest as little as $5 in the stock market, and, as an added incentive, you'll earn $10 absolutely free when you sign up for an account. While investing in stocks won't make you a millionaire overnight, it can help you grow your money steadily and accumulate wealth. I strongly advise it because it's one of the best investments with compound interest. Anyone can begin, and financial knowledge is not necessary. You can invest in index funds to maintain diversification and gradually build up your wealth over time. Number 7. Sell stock photos. For those who enjoy photography and want to earn a living full-time, selling stock photos online is a viable option. If you're good at creating high-quality images, selling your photos to stock photo websites could earn you a good living. Shutterstock, one of the most well-known stock photo websites, lets you sell your photos and get money every time one of them is purchased. Once your images are posted, you can start earning money without putting in any more effort, making this a passive side business. Number 8. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another company that conducts market research that is worthwhile. With Survey Junkie, you can earn money while you're not using your phone by getting paid to take surveys. The fact that Survey Junkie has a very low minimum payout of just $10 is one of the features I appreciate most about them. Survey Junkie also provides lucrative paid focus group opportunities in addition to surveys. For just 1 hour of your time, some focus groups will pay you over $100. Number 9. User testing. User testing is another fantastic way to earn money with your smartphone. You could earn money using this software by testing websites and writing reviews of the user experience. For every 20 minutes you spend testing, you can make $10 or $30 an hour. Very good. Number 10. Start a YouTube channel. A fantastic side business you can start online from your phone is a YouTube channel. You may start a channel about any topic you're interested in, and there's a high chance you'll get paid for it. You must monetize your channel with advertising if you want to earn money from YouTube. If you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing time within a year, you can apply to monetize your channel. Following approval, you'll start generating passive cash by running display advertising. With this side business, the potential income is endless. Some channels can generate millions of dollars in revenue annually. It's important to keep in mind that having a laptop or computer can make video editing easier and hasten channel expansion. But starting is not necessary. Number 11. Podcasting. Podcasting is another lucrative form of content creation you can do with nothing more than your phone. Over the past few years, the popularity of podcasts has skyrocketed, giving many people a fantastic opportunity to earn money online. You can record your episodes from your phone using a simple recording app like Anchor. Once they have been recorded, your episodes can be published on well-known podcasting platforms like iTunes and Stitcher. You can monetize your podcast by adding advertisements or sponsorships. Many podcasters who work full-time from their shows make 6 figures a year. Number 12. Affiliate marketing. For many people, affiliate marketing can be a successful side business that they can conduct anywhere while using their phone. You'll need an audience to market goods and services to in order to get started. Social networking is one of the best strategies to expand your audience. You can join affiliate programs and start marketing things after you have a following. You'll get paid a commission each time someone uses your link to make a purchase. When choosing which goods and services to advertise, it's crucial to keep your target audience in mind. The services and goods you promote must match the taste of your target market in order to be successful. Number 13. Translator. You can earn money by translating documents from one language to another if you speak more than one language. For a number of reasons, there are several businesses and individuals who want translations. To begin translating documents, you can register with an organization like Django. The working hours are frequently flexible, and the pay for translation services is frequently competitive. This is a fantastic option for people looking for a flexible side business they can run from their phone. Number 14. Transcription. Another excellent side business to start from home is transcription. The process of turning audio files into text is called transcription. It might be necessary to transcribe an audio recording of a meeting, for example, so that the owner can later refer to it. It's simple to find work as a freelance transcriptionist on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You'll normally get compensated hourly for your services, and you can expect to make $10 to $20 per hour on average. Number 15. Freelance writing. Even though writing lengthy articles on a phone is feasible for this side gig, some people could find it inconvenient. If you enjoy typing on a laptop or computer, earning a living as an online writer is still a fantastic option. Even if you have no prior writing experience, you can launch a successful freelance writing career. Beginner writers can earn anywhere from $10 to over $20 for every word they write. You can use a freelance website like Upwork or Fiverr to get employment, or you can network with internet business owners. Having received some points for watching this video, you can now earn enough money by working hard. Having several different sources of income is essential if you want to achieve financial freedom. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.